athletes. Here starts the race with Ankit Kumar from CISF, Muhammad Alim from Uttar Pradesh, Kailash Chaudhary from Assam Rifles, Nirved Singh from CRPF, Prince Kumar, one of the best athletes from Uttar Pradesh. He had created scripted history in 10,000 meters, and it's time for him in the men's 5,000 meters. Let us wait till the end. And Lokesh Chaudhary from Rajasthan, Nitin Panwar from BSF, Guru Prasad from Karnataka, Rajesh Kumar representing Uttarakhand, Subhash Chand from SSB, Sukhdev Singh from Punjab, Kuna Marandi from Orissa, Balram from Uttar Pradesh, Sandeep Karnataka, Omveer Singh from Assam Rifles, Tejveer Singh Chaudhary from Rajasthan. So these are the 16 athletes taking part in the final of men's 5,000 meters. The meet record stands on the name of Harichand of CRPF with a timing of 14 minutes 8.08 seconds in the year 1978. One 030 Prince Kumar from Uttar Pradesh taking the lead. Yes, it's a wonderful performance, wonderful timing in the 10,000 meters we have seen from this athlete. Outstanding athlete from Uttar Pradesh. All the 3 medals gone to Uttar Pradesh contingent. The gold, silver and bronze in the men's 10,000 meters run. And in this race also, keeping up front position, Prince Kumar leads the pack, maintaining a huge gap. At the curve, coming towards first, no, it's a second bend and it's home straight now. Prince Kumar leading the pack, leaving behind a much more gap from the other athletes. We can expect the best timing from Prince Kumar even in this men's 5,000 meters category 2. Already we have seen in the 10,000 meters taking the gold with the meet record. With the same motivation. At the back straight, still in the lead. Eight more laps to complete at the home straight now. Wonderful Uttar Pradesh athlete with the outstanding stamina. not giving any chance to his opponents, maintaining a much more gap behind him. At the back straight now. See the pace, the strength, the stride length, the consistency. It's extraordinary confidence with a lot of motivation jumped onto the track. Yes, he had a dedication, commitment. Today is his day to prove himself. Out of all the training, this is the time to exhibit their skill and strategy, their talent. Again at the home straight. Still the lead continues. 7 more laps to go. At the first curve, we can see Prince Kumar dominating the other athletes, increasing gradually the pace, maintaining himself in the lead position at the back straight now. Out of 16 athletes in the men's 5,000 meters, Prince Kumar making a very good timing, maintaining a huge gap where the Harichand's record, which was scripted history in the year 1978 with a timing of 14 minutes 8.08 seconds. Will it be rewritten today by Prince Kumar? Coming to the home straight. 5 more laps to go. Coming to the bend again at the second curve. Still in the lead, maintaining a good position, good posture, keeping himself well balanced at the curve, and now at the home straight, still in the lead. Five more laps to go. Maybe after 46 years, it's going to be a history. One more meet record we have seen today in the evening session in the women's high jump. It was scripted after 25 years, long back. In the women's high jump we have seen the meet record at 1.70 and now it was rewritten at 1.77. The meet record on the name of Deepa in the year 1999, after 25 years, it was scripted now at 1.77. It's wonderful to watch out the athletes' performances. And again, today in the 5,000 meters, Prince Kumar with a lot of confidence. 4 more laps to go. He's at the back straight now. coming to the curve. See, this all comes from the training. How confident he is. Coming to the home straight. 1030, he is well prepared. Already he decided that he will create a history today. Like 10,000 meters, taking the gold. He is eager to take the gold medal once again. His hunt started since the beginning of the race. He kept himself in the upfront position. 3 more laps to go. At the back straight now. See the stride length. What a confidence. Pushing himself, just only one goal in front of him. To better his timing. After 46 years, is it going to script a history by Prince Kumar? A lot of support being given from the spectators. All these things matter for all the athletes on the track. They keep them motivated, and at the home straight, 2 more laps to finish for Prince Kumar. He is very much focused. The pace gradually increased. Now the fuel coming out in the final 2 laps. Now at the back straight. A very tough athlete, giving a lot of tough competition to his co-competents. He left far behind his teammates. And once again, at the second bend, crossing the curve, coming to the home straight. Hats off to him. Well balanced, well maintaining the consistency is a big thing to any athlete till the end. One more lap, the final bell rings. Yes, he boosts himself. Now he pushes very hard. Gives extreme 100% best. More. After the first bend, again at the back straight now. See the speed increased in the final lap. Whether it is going to be the 1 more meet record by Prince Kumar. Yes, he is checking the watch. Coming to the curve. Yes, the crowd cheers up for him. This is the moment. Wonderful. It's outstanding performance by Prince Kumar from Uttar Pradesh. Pushing very hard. Next 20 meters decides. Come on, Prince Kumar. A very brilliant performance. Congratulations to the gold medal in the 5,000 meters men. What an outstanding performance. Incredible, mind-blowing efforts we have seen from Prince Kumar of Uttar Pradesh.